Hello, this channel welcomes you. This video about how we can reuse old hard disk. This is USB 3.0 external hard disk case. Box comes with one 3.0 USB SATA case, one USB 3.0 cable, and one AC to DC power adapter. We can use 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch SATA hard disk in this external case. I used 3.5-inch 1 TB hard disk from old CCTV DVR. Connect USB cable to USB 3.0 port on laptop, press power button, it blinks LED light. Hard disk doesn't detect Windows Files tab. What we have to do next? Go to search box, enter disk management, then you can see create and format hard disk partition option, open it. Now you can see an allocated disk, right click it, press create new simple volume to create partition. I decided to make two partitions, so 500 GB for first partition and remain memory for another partition. I select AXFAT file system format. Reason is my Android TV box doesn't detect NTFS file format for this external powered hard disk case, but my 2.5-inch USB powered external hard disk support NTFS file format on my TV box. After format disk, automatically open fresh partition window. Format remaining memory for another partition. I am using Crystal Disk Mark. To check disk health and read write speed. It shows disk health is good. I give buying link in description. You can click and buy if you need this external hard disk case. You can see read speed is 160 plus megabyte per second and write speed 150 plus megabyte per second. Thanks for watching. Hit like button if you like this video. Subscribe for more useful videos.